CloudShare's enterprise platform empowers you to spin up multi-VM environments to accelerate your sales cycle. This means you can enable your sales team to launch demo, product marketing, POC, and trial environments in seconds at the click of a button. In this example, we'll be using a demo environment to show you some of what's possible. This one's configured to last a set time frame here, and it will automatically delete itself when the demo's finished. You can completely customize the landing page your prospects will see, and add any logos, branding, contact details, or any other content you might want to include. From the machine list and tabs, you can demonstrate and show off your product in a virtual environment. You have multiple ways to access the machine, by default using RDP and console access to Windows and Linux VMs. We use IP acceleration to ensure a smooth user experience, and remote access over HTML5 so all you need to connect is a browser and an internet connection. This allows your SEs to focus entirely on demoing your product, or your prospects to get in and take your software for a test drive. You can also add in any additional tabs with embedded iframes or downloadable content you might want to include. Full screen access lets users interact with your software in the fluid way they're used to, so working on CloudShare feels like a physical machine, not just a remote virtual one. Whether it's a demo or a POC, this environment is the user's own personal sandbox, so they can carry out tasks without worrying about affecting anyone else's work. Let's switch now to looking at CloudShare from the perspective of the admin or the sales team. When first starting out, you'll want to begin building your environment. You can do this based on something you've built before, or use CloudShare's VM templates. Just select the account, lifetime, and region you want to run on, and you can get started. CloudShare's library of templates includes a number of Linux flavors, as well as the fully licensed Microsoft stack. Select what you need and start creating your environment. If you need more later, you can always add extra machines on the fly. If you already have VMs you want to bring to CloudShare, you can upload those as well. This environment will be up and running in a couple seconds, but let's switch over to one I created earlier. There we'll be able to see some of the more advanced options for designing your environment. Once your environment's created, you have full control over the underlying hardware as well. You can add CPUs, disk, and RAM whenever you need, and depending on your requirements. You also have the most advanced control over your networking configuration available. This allows you to build up a multi-layered environment. Let's look now at some of the UI control features available. Here we see the same overview page, and you have access down to the HTML to be able to customize that page with your own branding. You can move and organize the tabs, or hide any to only show what you want your prospects to see. We also include configurable tabs to drop in any external sites or provide downloadable content. Once you've got your environment designed just the way you want it, you can save it and start distributing it to any of your prospects. Take a snapshot and it'll be ready to go. The invitation tool lets you send out a customized email which provides registration and access details, plus fields to capture any of their vital data. Just select the account, owner or sales engineer, the environment you want to provide, and how long you want it to be accessible for. This environment policy is what sets how long the environment lasts for, and is what can accelerate your sales cycle. You can use it to limit or allow additional time to access the environment. Finally, enter your prospect's contact details. Our rich API lets you integrate with countless other CRM apps, and we also pair with Zapier to let you configure this easily. For example, setting up a link from Salesforce to trigger an environment invitation in CloudShare when a new lead is registered. CloudShare likes to put you in control, and with that you'll want to know who's using your environment and how much, all to track engagement with your leads. So we've included a powerful BI and analytics platform that lets you drill down into all aspects of how your environments are being used. You can track users and usage, their activities, and view historical year-on-year growth to spot trends. All of this vital data, including your prospect's contact details, can be exported for use in your own reporting system. If you'd like to learn more, please head to cloudshare.com or email sales@cloudshare.com.